Whether your Alma 100 arrives palletized or in a single box, make sure to follow the instructions on the box to ensure it is right side up and you are opening it correctly. Once you have opened the box and removed the foam packaging, locate the Important Documents envelope. Inside, you will find the certificate of authenticity, warranty information, the inspection form for your chair, plus the assembly instructions. Next, carefully remove the chair back, then remove the chair base. After removing the protective plastic from both components, roll the chair over at an angle on the arms with the wave clip facing up. You will join the chair back to the base by aligning the keyhole slot on the frame with the insert on the wave clip. It is important that you line this up accurately for perfect fit and assembly. Once in place, insert the 2 screws provided into the frame. The chair base has threaded holes, so when the back is properly installed, the holes will line up perfectly. After tightening both screws, carefully roll your Alma 100 over onto the base. Your Alma 100 is now ready to use. Please contact us with any issues or questions.